What we do in the MDMC is help small and medium-sized companies in Scotland who are working in the medical device area. We help them to solve their manufacturing problems. And as part of that, we have this lab. We have more than £2 million of new equipment, which was brought to that centre. And we work with these companies to demonstrate processes and to take them to the next stage in their manufacturing development. We have some laser-based technologies. We can do laser marking, laser cutting, laser welding. We also have electro-discharge machining, which allows us to manufacture the kind of molds which are used in injection molding. We also have an injection molding machine, so we can take the company right through from manufacturing the mold to then demonstrating that on the injection molding machine, demonstrating injection molding of a number of parts. And then when they want to move to high volumes, they can take their mold away and take it to an external supplier in order to get large volumes of manufacturing. One thing we've found is that quite a lot of the companies we're working with are very early stage companies. They're quite new to the field of medical devices, which means it's not only the manufacturing they need help with, but it's also to do with the regulation that's associated with that manufacture. As you might imagine, in the medical device area, we've got to be particularly careful about meeting those requirements from a safety point of view. We also provide a CPD course in regulatory affairs, and so we've, as well as providing with direct advice, we've held this CPD course a number of times. We have a long tradition of working with companies, and this supports that work. But I think really the most important thing is from the point of view of the companies. This is the sort of thing that a university should be doing. Yes, we're doing fundamental research as well, and that underpins the work we're doing here. But here we're taking that work and actually using it in a very practical way to help those companies directly in their manufacturing. But very much the plan is to not just keep doing what we're doing, but actually to expand and purchase new equipment, also to have more work going on at our partners. MDMC is not just Heriot-Watt, but there's actually 4 universities across Scotland. And in our plans for stage 2, there's a plan to have a 5th university involved as well.